Were you trying to get my groceries? Oh, nope, 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 nope. Hi.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Yeah.
I closed the door. We just try to contain the host until Mr. National Resources gets here.
Look in your window, Press.
Donkey? What are you doing?
I would think of all people you would recognize a wall when you see one.
Well,
How are you?
Oh, shit. Oh, my God.
That's what I'm saying. How hard can it be to drink?
No, don't you hit this vehicle.
Go back, Jack. Back up.